What a great question. Where do you find this index fund that we keep talking about at Scrunchify? So we, as fire bloggers, financial independence, retire early, we like to talk about total stock market index funds because that's Warren Buffett's tried and true. If he had put $10,000 in an index fund in 1940 when he bought his first stock, he would have $51 million today without touching it, without changing, rebalancing, chasing after the next, best tech company. You set it and forget it. And that's what us busy moms like to do. We like to go and invest in total stock market index funds. So we here at Scrunchify, we like to use VTSAX. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm sharing you information. Go and look it up and see if it works for you. But this is a total stock market index fund. It has a portfolio of all stocks traded on the market. We go with Vanguard because it is one of the lowest management fees, 0.04%. So for every $1 you invest, they're taking 0.04 cents. So not even a whole cent on the money that you invest. So that's really important. So right now, VTSAX is performing around 7 point something percent. So that's the average. So year after year, what it's been returning is somewhere around that 7 point something percent. Yes, the stock market goes up and it goes down, but we like to look at the average. You need to have your money invested. Why? Because if it's not invested, you are losing to inflation. So right now, inflation is really high, but they say like on average, it's 3%. So you're losing $3 out of $100 every year if your money's not invested. If you want to retire early, you need to have your money invested so that you can follow that 4% rule, withdraw 4% from your portfolio as it's invested, be able to have enough income to cover your expenses during your retirement. We here at Scrunchify are not financial advisors. We're two mamas sharing our advice. We have been using all of these financial tips and tools for the past 7 to 10 years, and it has helped us, 1, get out of debt, 2, grow our financial portfolio, and 3, retire by 40.